Welcome to War India News Hour. Banks to learn from technology firms to improve customer engagement. There is a need for experimental banking and hyper personalization emerging as essential tool for the journey back to profitability. Institutions should be better equipped to provide clients holistic engagement to tackle the new frontier of fraud with the help of machine learning. Financial criminals have become increasingly sophisticated when it comes to exploiting vulnerable consumers. A report says that there are fraudulent stimulus payments that are spurring major banks to shut down legitimate bank accounts due to suspected unemployment fraud. Furthermore, bad actors are deploying tactics such as call center scam, account takeover, and micro deposit fraud to extract funds from both crypto and traditional currencies. Financial service providers are responsible for protecting customers from large-scale fraud attacks. Unfortunately, not all demonstrated the ability to operate on the same level of sophistication as the agile fraudster, ultimately putting their brand reputation and penalties on the line. Banks are also competing with new players in financial services that are tech-forward, exhibit high growth potential, and offer sophisticated tailor-made products and services. Hence, traditional banks must keep pace by leveraging advanced technology powered by machine learning to accurately identify customer behavioral trends, preventing fraud and criminal activity at the outset. The advantage with machine learning platform is able to analyze tens of thousands of complex signals. Financial service providers can then utilize behavioral patterns recognized to effectively understand and enforce on malicious activity rather than relying on antiquated threshold rules that bad actors eventually learn to circumvent. Let's look into today's headline in War India. Can Amazon crack the deal to buy MGM for $9 billion? Amazon is in talks to acquire MGM for about $9 billion. With this, the e-commerce giant is looking at the biggest move to expand into the entertainment space. The USP of MGM is it owns a major film library with interest in the long-running James Bond franchise as well as other well-known titles such as Rocky and Pink Panther. It also owns the Epix cable channel and makes a TV shows including the Handmaid's Tale and Fargo and reality shows such as Shark Tank and Survivor. This acquisition would beef up Amazon's film studio and streaming services Prime Video and IMDb. The deal could cost between $7 billion to $10 billion. Microsoft announces to end Internet Explorer officially. The future of Internet Explorer on Windows 10 is in Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge brings you a faster, more secure, and more modern web experience than Internet Explorer. Also, Microsoft Edge with Internet Explorer made IE mode is the only browser with built-in compatibility for legacy IE-based sites and apps. Microsoft Edge with IE mode is officially replacing the Internet Explorer 10 desktop application on Windows 10. The Internet Explorer 11 desktop application will go out of support and be retired on June 15, 2022 for certain versions of Windows 10. India is a critical market for Zoom, says Velchamy Sankaralingam. Founded in 2011 by Eric Yuan, Chinese-American billionaire businessman founded Zoom. It has been one of the biggest gainers during the coronavirus pandemic, from office meetings, weddings to reunions. The video conferencing application has seen it all as the country restricted the movement of people to break the chain of infection. Velchamy Sankaralingam, President Product and Engineering at Zoom, talks about why India is a key market for the firm, hiring, new growth areas, and future of work. Zoom has opened a technology center in Bengaluru and is hiring aggressively for various roles such as DevOps and security software engineer for its Bengaluru and Mumbai offices. Indian Army developed system to convert liquid oxygen to oxygen gas. Indian Army has developed a mobile low-pressure oxygen system that converts liquid oxygen to oxygen gas amid COVID-19 pandemic. A single system with 2 liquid oxygen cylinders is capable of providing oxygen to 40 beds for a duration of 2 or 3 days. The Army said a prototype has been already made functional at Base Hospital in Delhi Cact. Klaviyo's next-gen email marketing platform valued whopping $9.5 billion valuation. Klaviyo's customer base doubled over the past 12 months, and the company now serves over 70,000 paying customers and more than 110% increase from 2019, ranging from small business to Fortune 500 companies in more than 120 countries. It also said that it plans to increase its headcount from 800 to 1,300 people this year. The company announced that it has raised $320 million in new capital in the Series D rounded led by Sense Capital, a private and public equity investor that has among many areas of focus. That brings the company's total fundraising to $675 million. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to War India News Magazine. You can download the War India app from Google Play Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you so very much.